All right, so my name is Graeme Jarry. I'm an affiliate marketer, which means I sell other people's products online and for a commission. I also help people learn how to do that. And I make videos around making money online, affiliate marketing, and I do instructional videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Office free, legally. So how to get Microsoft Office free legally. You heard it. That includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, the complete suite. So how you can get access to that for free. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go to a website called office.com. Now, when you come here, you'll see two options. Welcome to Office. You'll see Sign In or Get Office. Now, if you click on Get Office, that'll take you to another sales page where you can either buy the offline version or you can pay a subscription to, get the cloud version. So what we're going to do here, we're going to click on Sign In. Now, you'll need a Microsoft login. Now, it'll take you to this window here. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft sign in, that's okay. If you've got Skype or a couple of those or any of those other products that are owned by Microsoft, you can just sign in with that. If you haven't, just go ahead and create your Microsoft login. All right, so as you can see, I've now logged in, and setting up a Microsoft account is free. So I've now logged in, and so here we are on the home page. What we're going to do is we're going to go here to Start New. And as you can see, these are the documents that you could start. You could start a Word document. You could create something in Excel. You do a PowerPoint. You could use Notebook, Survey, Quiz, or Sway. So what we're going to do is start a Word document. Now, remember, I said we're using the Office suite for free, how to get Microsoft Office for free. So we're in our Word. Now we can go here and rename the document. I might just say first document. Really, really creative. Okay. So and then I'm just going to paste something in there that I had. That's fine. So I'll just do Control V. It's just some text I had in an advertisement I was putting on a classified section before. So as you can see, everything that you can do normally, you can alter the text size. You could change the font. You could make that bold. You could change the color. Play around with it. Whatever you could do with the paid version or whatever you've used before, you've got available here. So that's just in your standard Word document. Now, if we went back to Microsoft here, instead of going to Start New and we went to Word, we could either start with a blank document, or it brings up all these other templates that are available to you. And you click on More Templates and whatever, and so you could scroll through them, all available to you for free. Now, I've just gone back to the home page of Office again. So if you were to click in any of those others, like Excel, set up very similar to Word. You can do a blank document, or you can start with some of these templates that are already there for you. Likewise, if we go back, PowerPoint, you can start with a blank document, or you've got these templates, more templates as well as OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, and all the other apps that are there. Now, one thing, I don't have any documents in here, but if you go back here and say you go to Word, it will give you a list of all the current documents that you've been working on, and you can either pin them, you could delete them, you can share them, whatever you want to do. Play around with it. It's really, really simple to use and really functional. Right, so let's say we've finished our document, and we could either leave it in the cloud. There's no go. So, but what if you want to bring it down to your computer? Well, you can do that too. So you'll see there's no save button there, and that's because this is live on the cloud. Whatever you do, there's no need to save. It's there. So you could save as, and it gives you a choice. You could save a copy online. You could rename it. You could download a copy to your computer. You could even download it as a PDF or download it as an ODT. And as it says, where's the save button? There's no need to save because we're automatically saving your document for you. Now, just to be clear, this is only available in the cloud, so you will need internet access to be able to access Office Suite for free. If you wanted to be able to use it offline, you can click here. You can see it says Install Office, but that button is there will take you to purchase that, so you can either pay for it or to be able to have the app on your computer. But we're looking at using how today we're looking at how to get Microsoft for free, and so as long as you've got an internet connection, you can access this for free. So that's how you get Microsoft Office for free. Now, if you're using Windows 10 and up, there is an app you can download as well. And all you do is you go to Chrome and search the extensions and search for Microsoft Office. I won't go into that here, but today's video is about how to get Microsoft Office for free, and I've showed you that at this point. But if you want the app, it's pretty similar. I like to be able to just do it like this. The one difference, I suppose, with the app compared to being in the cloud is if you've got other Microsoft Office documents stored on your computer, the app will show you those in your lists of Word documents or Excel, things like that. But for simplicity, to be able to use Microsoft Office for free, I love this. Now, that's how you get it for free. Now, I just want to show you a couple of other things while we're here. Look, if you've got value out of this video and you like it, give us a thumbs up. Maybe even hit the subscribe button below to get notified of future videos. Now, just click on here so that you don't only get Word and Excel and PowerPoint. If you have a look here, it gives you a full list of other apps that you can use: a calendar, analytics, OneDrive. Have a look through there for yourself. But there's quite a range of other products that you get access to for free as well. So that's how you get Microsoft Office for free. I hope it's been of value to you. I love putting these videos together, and if you've got value, as I said before, please subscribe. It helps the algorithm. It allows you to get notified of when I put more videos out. Also, other people, the algorithm gets to provide my videos to other people. And I post videos every day. I post videos on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and as I say, instructional videos as well. So what I've got coming up that I'd like to tell you about as well is a 15-day challenge. If you're interested in learning how to make money online as an affiliate, I have a 15-day challenge, 15 days where you get taken step by step how you could set up your own affiliate marketing business. So if you're interested in that, click on the link in the description below and you'll get taken to that and register for that. I look forward to seeing you in the challenge and in the next video.